A cat was thrown from a crashing airplane. This is the most insane cat video I've ever seen. The pilot had to make an emergency landing after their plane lost power. Thankfully, a wildlife rescue was nearby, and they were able to save the cat. But this cat had been through a lot. It had been in the plane for a while, but it was still alive. So they brought it back to the vet to get checked out. But when they opened up the box, this is what they saw. The cat had taken its own life. It had jumped out of the plane with the parachute. The pilot was so grateful that the cat had survived the crash, but they were also very sad that the cat had taken its own life. This is a very sad story, but it also has a happy ending. The pilot was able to walk away from the crash with only minor injuries, and thanks to the quick reaction of the wildlife rescue, they were able to save the cat's life.